Hello and welcome to my TECx design competition submission. My name is Ava Eden and I am a Year 7 student at Clancy Catholic College. Some of my interests include playing video games, photography and drawing. The goal I am choosing to focus on is Goal 13, Climate Action. The reason that I am focusing on this goal is because I want to devise a solution that will combat climate change and the effects it has on the world. My final design idea is the Water Distributor 2020. My idea is a system. My solution is designed to help combat the heavy drought in Australia, which has occurred because of climate change. My design is ideally set in a northern coastal part of Australia, where there is lots of rain. This way, my system can capture the water and distribute the resource throughout Australia using large underground water pipes. Here are the CAD drawings of my design. As you can see, I have a regular 3-dimensional view and an orthogonal view. My design would ideally be placed in a part of Australia where rain is common and comes in large quantities. These ideal places include northern coastal parts of Australia, such as Queensland, where they have tropical cyclones which bring large quantities of rain. Pipes which the harvested rainwater travels in. These pipes then transport the rainwater to the places where it is needed most in Australia. A large tank in which rainwater is collected, then sent down to the pipes. Ramps which rainwater runs down, eventually leading it into the large water storage tank. A visualization of what my design would look like in action. Ideally, of course, it would have lots of water in it, so that said water could be distributed throughout Australia. My design, the Water Distributor 2020, solves the chosen goal due to the fact that it solves drought, which is one of the many effects that climate change has had on the world. My design helps combat drought through distributing water, which is why it solves the goal. I conducted research on the Australian government website in order to see water saving/distributing solutions which are already existent. This was to ensure originality in my design, and this is the link I used. My original design, made with regular 3-dimensional shapes. I actually ended up going with this design with a few changes in colour and shape. My design is important because it helps combat the drought that has taken over Australia. My design could be revolutionary and could benefit Australia by saving its beautiful flora and fauna from drying out. It is important because our country is dying, and soon these changes will be irreversible. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and it would be greatly appreciated if you would take my idea into consideration. Thank you.